Want to see someone systematically disprove everything you have read about trading stocks and expose how and why you will consistently lose money if you aren't doing it right? Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. But now for today's video.
The question, what is the best futures day trading strategy? Answer by. In the beginning I struggled in guessing and learning the signals in Forex. I then found a software program called Forex Profiter which reduced the problem to determine the signals, so that I gained more earnings using Forex in a smart way. I'm not really promoting this, however I am sharing my experience concerning the huge profit I got from Forex Profiter. If you wish to learn more about it, Google search, Forex Profiter V3.1. Now I'll explain the answer. For your doubts, aggressive day trading strategy. Day trading strategies are mostly overdone by everyone in the industry. My day trading strategy has taken many changes over my near 10-year career. I started day trading futures and I still day trade futures to this day because they are one of the easiest vehicles to trade in. If you're interested in learning day trading or even learning more about my training program, getting updates on the limited project, or even getting an exclusive video with more insight about my day trading strategy, sign up for the email newsletter below. Here is a brief summary of my strategy. Trade strictly futures. E-mini S&P 500 and crude oil. 2 charts, 610 233 tick charts. 3 indicators. Yes, that's it. Goal: to be profitable every day. I'll talk about why I trade futures in a later post. When I first started, I took out student loans and purchased a semi-automatic software program that automatically plotted support and resistance areas. The trick was to always try and hit a support or resistance. Little did I know I could plot those fancy support and resistance areas for free. From there I met many traders and was exposed to many different strategies. I was lucky to meet a like-minded group of traders that had a very similar trading style. Eventually, I helped develop a strategy by combining my near 10-year experience in the industry with another day trader's methodologies. What you see in my charts on this site is the variation of that strategy that I apply in the stock market each and every day. I found my winning strategy by keeping a few things in mind. Win more than you lose. Make sure your winners are bigger than your losers. Simplicity, clean charts, simple setups. Stay disciplined and follow plan. My win ratio is definitely better than 50%, which would satisfy my first bullet. There are going to be days when you don't win more than you lose, which is why you want to also focus on the second bullet. By having winners that are bigger than your losers, it allows you to have an edge in the market. I have had days where my winning percentage was 40% and I still did very well. Think of it as a way to protect yourself from stupid mistakes like day trading and playing on Facebook at the same time. I try to keep everything as simple as possible because you can complicate trading very quickly. Before you know it, you can be looking at 20 screens in 80 different colors. Most people are not built to multitask and can only handle one thing at a time. Day trading also takes an immense amount of focus. Trying to process thousands of bases of information is impossible. You simply won't be successful. When you follow a plan that works and you stick to it, positive results will magically appear. The only time I lose money is when I deviate from my plan. Keeping it simple also allows a day trader to keep his focus and motivation in check. The honest truth is that most day trading companies are out there to take your money, not show you how to day trade. If day trading is so profitable, why is there someone trying to tell you how to do it when they could do it themselves? Think about that for a second. One of the reasons that I started this site was to give day traders an honest, reliable, and affordable way to start day trading. Right now, I post my own trades on this site, free of charge, to allow other traders that have similar strategies to learn from my 3/4 years of mistakes and 6/7 years of success. My memory doesn't serve me as well as it should. Answer by Doug Daly. All markets operate on the same principle: take out as many traders as you can and let the few winners have their spoils. Your power in trading does not come from your strategy in isolation. A strategy is static and what you need to be doing should be dynamic. Futures move similar to Forex. Chop followed by whips or rotations. If you get in early, you get stopped out long or short. If you get in late, you catch the move right before it reverses. Somewhere between early and late is the money shot, which has unique characteristics with every rotation because no two charts are exactly the same. You need to catch a piece of the money shot repeatedly while limiting risk. Plot price changes and find the patterns of movement which define the rotations in price. You don't need indicators. Learn and anticipate how price reacts at key levels and how traders, the herd, think and act based upon what they see. Traders are creatures of habit, and these habits are used by smart money to make their profits. You need to study these habits and anticipate reversals and changes in rotations. When you become an expert at trading rotations, your equity curve will start to move upward. Don't ignore the algorithms. They are the key to modern trading. Instead of dreading the algos, you need to befriend them. Once the algos are programmed, they do what they are told. You need to know how they move price. Instead of using technical analysis and indicators to predict future prices, use technical analysis to find the high probability entries into the algorithmic order flow by trading at price extremes where there are very few orders. Answer by John Morgan. Renko. NQ futures with Renko. Just Renko in lines. OMG, I love the NQ in Renko. 8-point Renko for X. The close of this Friday, today, was a nice spot and makes the next week a little easier. I plan on putting in 2 orders, one buy order above that top blue line and then one sell order below that top blue line, probably at the topmost orange line. NQ just loves to go and lift off patterns or just tanking down patterns. I like to catch them where there are not a lot of people left who want to put up with the pain trading right on those lines of support or resistance. I like to be above/below that action and then ride the coattails of the people who already fought it out for me. So this probably isn't the best futures strategy out there. I doubt you'll ever find the best one. You just want to find what is best for you. What you can do to make money will be the best. And the simpler the strategy/approach, the better.